Yesterday, a woman who lives in East Palestine, Ohio, went on TikTok to tell her story about how after a town hall meeting talking about the chemicals that had spilled from the train derailment, lawyers recommended you get a blood test for dioxin to see if it was in your blood. Again, this chemical has been linked to cancer, reproductive issues, and many other health issues. When her doctor gave her the prescription to go get her blood drawn, she went to the lab and was told that they no longer have authority to do that blood test. Watch here.
Dioxin level checked, just like the town hall meeting the lawyers suggested residents do, and anyone that thinks that they've been affected. So my doctor looked around, found a lab called LabCorp, which was one of the labs that was listed that does this. And the thing about that is it's going to be a national thing that every LabCorp should have those codes to test for the blood dioxin. So this morning or yesterday morning or whatever it was, his assistant called LabCorp, got the script. They sent it over. So here's the script. It says blood dioxin on it, right? It was approved as of yesterday. The lab tech said she can come in and we'll do it. So they faxed it over this morning. I went in to get the blood work done. I sat down at the desk to get checked in, and the gentleman that does the blood work said, "I'm so sorry to tell you this, but for some weird reason, it's been discontinued. We no longer have authority to take your blood and test it for dioxins." And he said, "This is weird." He's like, "I just did one like a couple."
After seeing her video, I wanted to do more research into LabCorp and found out that LabCorp operates one of the largest clinical laboratory networks in the world and in the United States. So I wondered, who are their largest shareholders, and found this. In the title of her video, she also states that Quest is no longer doing these blood tests, so I went to find out who their largest shareholders and found that LabCorp and Quest have something big in common. But who else do they have these large shareholders in common with? You guessed it, Norfolk Southern, the same company that owns the train that spilled these chemicals all over East Palestine, Ohio. Let me know what you think down below.